Welcome, I'm Bev Adams. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! I thought I'd show you this cute little card with the little panda. It uses Party Pandas, which is a Sale-a-Bration stamp set that you can get for free with a $50 order. I am also using this stamp from Falling Flowers. My card base is 6x3, scored at 3 for a little 3x3 card. And it fits nicely in these little 3x3 envelopes, which really are a tiny bit larger than 3x3. I also have a piece of Old Olive that's 2x6, a piece of Whisper White that's 2 1/4 by 2 1/2, a piece of Whisper White that's 2 3/4 inch square, and a scrap of Whisper White that's just big enough for the panda. I am also using a tiny bit of the Color Theory Designer Series paper. This paper comes in a lot of different colors. Each piece of this Designer Series paper has a graphic design and kind of a crackled look on the other side. I am using this that looks kind of like paint chips to me, and I thought I would not like it. I saw a similar card that uses this on Pinterest. I saw one done by Joanne Hewins. I just want 3 really skinny pieces that are actually 3/8, but if I just come up to the edge here of my trimmer, that really is pretty close to 3/8. And that's faster than trying to measure out 3/8. I'm starting off with the Old Olive ink and that Falling Flowers leaf, and I'm going to just stamp randomly on the edges of this card front. I'm going to be covering up the center of it, so that doesn't matter. I'm also going to stamp the envelope and also that white square that will go on the inside. Then I'm switching over to the basic black. This is an archival ink, and I'm just going to stamp that panda. I want to make sure that I get it nice and inked up and juicy. And this scrap needs to just be big enough for the panda. I am going to be cutting it out. Beautiful. Then I'm going to stamp Happy Birthday that comes with the Party Pandas on the inside of the card. I'm going to quickly cut out my panda. If you leave yourself an edge, you don't have to worry about getting like between the feet and the arms. And again, I'm totally ignoring that string. In fact, I'm cutting it a little closer around where that string is so that you won't even see any of that string. While I've got the scissors out, I want to snip this that's going to be bamboo at a sharp angle. And this is way longer than I need it to. You could probably even do 2 pieces off of one strip. From that 2x6 piece of Old Olive, I'm going to punch the leaf punch. I want 3 of those. And then I'm ready to assemble. So I'm going to make sure I'm right side up. Put the inside inside. Pulling in my silicone mat for adhesion. And I'm just going to put the leaves randomly on the top of my card. This is the This is the Whisper White that's 2.5 by 2 1/4, so it's not quite square. These can go over the side. Then I'm going to put adhesive just on the ends of these pieces. And I'm just going to adhere this over the leaves. And these are actually probably more straight up and down than I want them to be. But I'm going to turn it over and snip off the ends. And just adhere this to my card front. In this bottom left corner. And a couple of dimensionals for my panda. And I'm going to decide where I want that panda to be hanging on. Maybe there. I just wanted to add just a tiny bit of bling to this card. So I'm using the glitter enamel dots. And these come in Dapper Denim, Crushed Curry, Berry Burst, and Old Olive. And you can see that these are kind of an ombre effect. I wanted to use the lighter ones because I want to save these for another project. So I'm going to just use my Old Olive Stampin' Blends and color these. So I'm going to just stick these on right at the edge of this white cardstock here. And that's all there is to this card. I also made this card in a standard size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I did the card the same way, except this piece is 2 1/2 by 4, I believe, and I decided to use the leaf punch after I made this card. If you would like the directions, come on over to bevadams.com. I'll have the direct link in the video at the top. Or if you're on YouTube, look down in the description below and I'll have the direct link for you there too. Thank you for stopping by.